Jerica, ano ang favorite song mo at bakit?
Favorite ko po, California King Bed.
Wow.
It makes me relax.
California.
And while singing,
California King
California
Bed.
King Bed.
California
Yeah, it
King
makes
Bed.
me relax.
Ah.
And while singing, may dancing na din siya.
Pero humihiga ka rin ba sa California King Bed habang kinakanta mo ang California King Bed ni Rihanna?
Yes, kaya po ako sa California King Bed.
Wow, is it
While
really
singing.
made in California?
Yeah.
So is the California King Bed that is made in California inside Hotel California?
California King Bed, gawa lang natin yun, pero yan, masaya yun.
Okay, sige. Parinig nga ako ng sample niyang California King Bed mo. Paano ka ba kumanta ng California King Bed? Sige nga.
In this California King Bed, we're 10,000 miles apart. I've been California wishing on the stars.
Oh.
Ano na po ba yun?
Bitin. Tapusin mo na.
For your heart, for me, my California King.
Yon, my California Maki. Charing.